And when you have your team, like the Bulldogs, finish with double pike, double pike, double pike, double tuck, it says something. It's a loud statement.
Here's Mikayla Magee, one of the gym dogs that finished with a double pike on floor. This is the first time she's competing on the balance beam in the NCAA.
Well, and again, because Rachel Jackson fell, it does put pressure, and she seems to be handling it just wonderfully. She doesn't look a bit nervous.
It is a tough spot to be in. This is the first time she's competed for the Bulldogs on this event, following a fall.
You know, I asked Coach Carter, I said, you know, how is it different coaching versus competing where you have that control? And she said, okay, I have to admit, last year I had some serious tummy rumbles. You know, I was very nervous. But she said, you know, if you prepare your athletes, it's kind of like having kids. You prepare them and you just let them go and hope they fly.
Great routine for them, though.